The holiday season is a time of joy, reflection, and connection, even when you're 260 miles above Earth. Imagine floating in zero gravity, surrounded by candy canes, a makeshift snowman, and the warm camaraderie of your space family. This was the scene aboard the International Space Station as astronauts shared a heartfelt Christmas message with the world. Expedition 72 Commander Sunita Suni Williams, adorned with reindeer antlers, and her fellow crewmates, NASA astronauts Barry Wilmore, Don Pettit, and Nick Hague, along with Russian cosmonauts Alexei Ovchinin, Ivan Vanner, and Alexander Gorbanov, gathered to celebrate in the most unique of settings. Their message was simple yet profound. Even in the vastness of space, the spirit of Christmas remains unshaken. While many of us gather with loved ones during the holidays, these astronauts are far from their families, yet they find comfort in their shared mission and the sacrifices made by countless teams on the ground. The crew expressed their gratitude to the engineers and operators who work tirelessly to support them, ensuring their mission continues seamlessly, even on Christmas Day. To bring a touch of home to the station, the astronauts have a feast ready, complete with holiday treats and decorations that include a tiny Christmas tree and ornaments bearing photos of their families. There's a warmth in their gestures, a reminder that the essence of the season transcends physical distance. As you prepare to celebrate, consider this: even in the farthest reaches of human exploration, the traditions we hold dear continue to bring people together. Just like the stars that light up the night sky, these small acts of connection remind us that the spirit of the season is universal. From our channel to you, Merry Christmas! Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the joy with others. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories from the final frontier. In the boundless expanse of space, where days and nights blur into a constant dance of Earth spinning below, the astronauts aboard the International Space Station have crafted their own unique holiday traditions. Without the familiar comforts of a roaring fireplace or the aroma of freshly baked cookies, they rely on ingenuity and camaraderie to make the season bright. Their Christmas celebration is a blend of high-tech wonder and heartfelt simplicity, a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt and thrive, even in the most extraordinary conditions. Picture this: a tiny artificial Christmas tree floats weightlessly in the cabin, adorned with ornaments showcasing the smiling faces of their loved ones back home. The crew gathers around, their laughter filling the station as they don Santa hats, some even stretched over cowboy hats, to inject a bit of humor into their day. For these explorers, the decorations and festivities are more than just symbols, they are lifelines to the people and places they hold dear. Then comes the feast, meticulously prepared by the ground teams. While the meals are packaged for space travel, the joy of sharing them remains universal. Astronaut Don Pettit gave a glimpse of their culinary lineup, describing it as a feast worthy of the holiday. It's a vivid reminder that even hundreds of miles above Earth, the comfort of good food can bring people closer. But the most profound part of their celebration lies in their reflections. As astronaut Barry Wilmore, an ordained minister, poignantly reminded us, Christmas is more than just festivities, it's about the birth of hope, symbolized by the arrival of Christ. In the quiet moments aboard the station, where the universe's vastness feels tangible, this message resonates deeply. Their story is not just about a group of people celebrating Christmas in orbit. It's a narrative about resilience, adaptation, and finding joy in the unfamiliar. It's a reminder that, whether on Earth or in space, the human capacity for connection and celebration knows no bounds. And while the stars may seem closer to them, the values they hold dear are the same ones that unite us all. As the astronauts orbit Earth, circling it every 90 minutes, they carry with them a profound lesson: no matter how far we travel, the ties that bind us to home, to tradition, and to one another remain unbroken. The holiday season aboard the International Space Station isn't just about celebration, it's a reflection of humanity's resilience and the shared values that bind us together. In the stillness of space, where silence can feel infinite and the Earth appears as a fragile blue marble below, moments of unity carry a profound significance. For the astronauts, these moments aren't just symbolic, they are vital reminders of the strength of their shared mission. While many of us take for granted the warmth of a family gathering or the laughter exchanged around a dinner table, these explorers find themselves relying on their crewmates for connection. Together, they form a family of their own, a global team representing nations and cultures working hand in hand. Their ability to set aside differences and embrace shared traditions underscores the incredible capacity of the human spirit to find harmony in diversity. The space station itself becomes a microcosm of this unity. Decorations like floating candy canes and a whimsical snowman crafted from storage bags bring touches of levity to their high-tech surroundings. Even the smallest details, like ornaments with family photos, are infused with meaning. These gestures bridge the gap between Earth and space, reminding the astronauts of the loved ones who support them from afar. But even amidst the joy, there's a deeper narrative. The astronauts reflect on the sacrifices made, not only their own but also those of the countless individuals on the ground who ensure the mission's success. Engineers, scientists, and mission control teams worldwide work tirelessly through the holidays, embodying the spirit of dedication that keeps humanity reaching for the stars. In the quiet moments, as they gaze out at the vast expanse of the cosmos, there's an undeniable sense of perspective. Space has a way of humbling even the most seasoned explorers. It reminds them, and us, that while we may be separated by vast distances, the essence of what connects us transcends all barriers. The stars they see aren't just celestial bodies, they are a reflection of the light and hope that unite us all, no matter where we are. In the quiet solitude of space, traditions take on a new dimension. For the astronauts aboard the International Space Station, the holiday season is not only a time for joy and reflection but also an opportunity to contemplate their place in the grand tapestry of humanity. Orbiting Earth every 90 minutes, they witness the beauty of our planet from a vantage point few will ever experience. It's a perspective that brings both awe and a profound sense of responsibility. Each sunrise and sunset, 16 of them each day, remind them of the fleeting nature of time and the interconnectedness of all life below. This sense of connection shapes their celebration. Their small artificial Christmas tree, adorned with ornaments bearing the faces of their families, serves as a powerful symbol of the ties that ground them, even as they float miles above the earth. It's a reminder that no matter how far they journey, the bonds of love and tradition remain unbreakable. But the holiday is also a time to honor the sacrifices that make such exploration possible. The astronauts know they are part of something much larger than themselves, a global effort driven by innovation, perseverance, and shared dreams. Their gratitude extends not only to their families but also to the thousands of people on the ground who work tirelessly to keep the mission alive. For the crew, every carefully prepared holiday meal and every moment of laughter shared in microgravity is a tribute to this collective effort. As they look out at the endless stars, the astronauts are struck by the contrast between the vastness of the universe and the fragility of the world they call home. This juxtaposition fuels their commitment to fostering unity, understanding, and progress. The space station itself, a collaborative effort of multiple nations, is a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together. Their message to all of us is clear: no matter where we are, the values of kindness, gratitude, and unity should guide us. Just as they carry these ideals with them into space, we too can embrace them in our daily lives. After all, the spirit of the holidays, one of hope, peace, and connection, belongs to us all, transcending borders, cultures, and even the boundaries of Earth itself. As the stars glimmer outside the windows of the International Space Station, it's hard not to marvel at the sheer scale of the cosmos. Each rotation around Earth brings new perspectives, new insights, and a deeper appreciation for the fragile beauty of our planet. For the astronauts, these quiet moments are a chance to reflect, not just on their mission, but on the connections that give life meaning. The holidays remind us all that even in the most remote and extraordinary places, traditions and shared values endure. For these explorers, the simple act of sharing a holiday meal or decorating their living quarters with family photos carries a weight that words struggle to convey. It's not just about celebrating the season, it's about anchoring themselves to what truly matters. And while their mission may be far from over, their story continues to evolve with each passing moment. Every glance out of the station's windows reveals a new facet of Earth's beauty, an ever-changing mosaic of land, ocean, and cloud. It's a humbling reminder of why they're up there, pushing the boundaries of human understanding and striving for discoveries that could transform life on the planet below. What's fascinating is how their experiences resonate with all of us. We may not be floating in microgravity or watching 16 sunrises in a single day, but we share the same desire for connection, the same curiosity about the unknown, and the same hope for a brighter future. Their journey mirrors our own in so many ways, offering inspiration to seek out new perspectives and embrace the challenges that lie ahead. So, as they orbit Earth, carrying with them the traditions of the season, they leave us with an unspoken challenge: to look up, to dream bigger, and to hold close the values that unite us. Because whether on Earth or among the stars, what truly matters is the same: a shared mission, a spirit of exploration, and the unyielding belief that together, we can accomplish the extraordinary.